Hey guys, this is our static compost pile. It's a passive system where we basically layer on all the invasives and old vegetables and other compostable goods onto this area over a pipe that is connected to a fan that is connected to a solar panel, so that we have oxygen running through the pile to create an aerobic process that helps break things down. So we're gonna keep piling invasives on this baby until it's 6 feet high and 12 foot wide, like the pile over here.
Woo!
And then we cover it up and we let it do its thing, and hopefully in 6 months it'll be nutrient-rich compost.
Yeah, and why is it important that we compost here on site?
It's really great to be able to take things we don't want from our farm and put it into this system and then create something we do want. We're not letting any nutrients or any carbon that came from our farm go anywhere else, and it just stays in our system. And while our system isn't closed, we want to keep it as closed as possible, if that makes sense.
It does make sense. Awesome. Thanks, Jess.
Yes, no problem.